Hi there, welcome to the assembly video for the three-piece cheese board. First thing, we are going to click on an assembly, not a part. So click assembly, standard IAM. Great. Then we're going to place the content from a file. So you're actually going to have to click up here. Now I originally did this wrong and you'll see it pops up and I've done the wrong thing there. So we'll just go back to change it from content center to placing component. And I'm going to find my parts that I've made. I'm going to start with Cheeseboard 3-piece, 1 of 3. These are the ones I made in the other video. And I'm just going to click once and then press escape to not place it any more times. There it is. Then I'm going to go back to my place. I'm going to find part 2. Again, I'm going to click to place it once and then press escape. I'm going to go back and I'm going to use this constrain function. Now there's two options, there's mate and flush. We want the mate function. And we're going to click on the edge. The whole edge will be highlighted green, that face there. So we're going to click that and it will turn blue. And then I'm going to spin this around so that that side is also going to click and turn blue, and they'll immediately snap together. You can click apply and it's basically going to like glue those parts together. They're not necessarily lined up yet. So now we want to click flush and we're going to do the edges there, those ends. So that one will turn blue and then click on that one. There we go, they've lined up. Now they're even on that plane. The last thing we want to do is make sure the surfaces. So again, click there, click on that one, and again, click apply. Beauty. And now those are permanently stuck together. If you mess this up, you're going to have to click the undo button. There's nothing else you can do about it. Right, now we can place the next one. We want to place part 3. There it is. Click open, there we go. Click once, and then press escape. Now I need to go back to constrain. I'm going to mate the edge of my centerpiece to that edge of my new piece I've just put down. So I need to use the spin cube to line it up, not that one. If you get the line, go back and undo. There we go, that's the one. That edge there with that one there. Great, they've snapped together, but you can see they're not even yet. So now we're going to use the flush tool, flush that end grain with the end of that one, like that. Great, and then apply. And now I need to line up the faces so they're even. So anyway, up. This just makes it easier to see. The whole outline of that shape turns green, so you know which one you're doing. Click, there we go, they've snapped together, and apply. Excellent. Now I can close that. So there's my chopping board basically together. What's a cheese board, isn't it? But it's not quite finished yet. So I need to put some fillets on it because it's got some sharp edges. So I can spin it around. Very nice. And now I'm going to go up to 3D model. That 3D model menu at the top. And there's that fillet tool that we used when we made the pieces. And I'm going to set the radius to 9.5. And then again, where it says 0 selected, I can click on it. And I'm just going to do the edges. And you can see as I click on them, they'll turn green. Lovely. And then I can do that hole there. Click on that. And then apply. There we go. That looks a bit nicer. And then spin it around the other way. Use your view cube for that. And again, I can just select, there's the other side of the hole, and that one. That center section, you've got to click on 2 pieces. And then that edge there, click apply. And now you can close that. There we go. That is the assembled and filleted cheese board all together in under 5 minutes. Make sure you save this file and make sure you save it in the proper directory. I'll see you on the drawing video.